Sometimes it becomes unmanageable to remember as well as keep track of daily chores, errands, and important things like medicines. With SimpLog, you can log data, get reminded to do so, and also get statistics all at the same time effortlessly. Start by downloading the app in your Android device and it will install the corresponding app in your Gear. Once you click on the plus sign to add a new category, you can add a suitable name as per your need. We can then choose the units for this log from various options, namely yes, no, milliliters, liters, cups, hours, minutes, kilograms, grams, pounds, items, and calories. In this case, we choose yes or no. Next, we choose a frequency which can be daily, monthly, or hourly. In this case, we choose daily. The user has the flexibility of adding a reminder if they want to be reminded to log the input. So let's set the reminder at 8:10 p.m., which can be undone at any point just by deselecting the checkbox. Clicking on Add is all that is needed for the app to set up. Now let's proceed to Gear for logging the data. Now with the paired Tizen variable, one has to click on the sync button to get the categories from your phone. There you go. It's that simple. To start logging, click on the category. Then you will be prompted to enter the data for today. Once you enter your data, a calendar window will pop up through which you can log the data for any date you choose. You can swipe through the calendar from left or right and then choose any date you want to log for. Let's assume we had logged the data for last 1 month. Now we can view the statistics by clicking the statistics button below. We can even swipe through the graphs to view older or newer statistics. Now let's see one more implementation. Here we log the number of cups of milk consumed. We choose a unit cups at an hourly rate. Let us say we want to log at 8 a.m., 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. Let's assume we don't want to be reminded for this log. Once we add, now we see there are two categories, details of which can be seen by clicking on the down arrow or on the name. We can also see the sync button in blue color for the category House Help, signifying that the category has been synced with your Gear. We can also change or remove the time at which we want to be reminded at any point of time. Once we do this, for the changes to take effect, you need to sync with your Gear again. You can also delete the logs by pressing the delete icon. Now let's proceed to Gear for this category's implementation. Let's sync again. Now we see after syncing that the category House Help has disappeared and Milk has appeared. To log for this category, one can log inputs via an easy and accurate scroller. You can enter 3 types of values using this scroller. First one being a normal integer like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Secondly, you can also enter any type of fractional value. For example, let's log 1/3 cups per 4 p.m. Finally, you can also enter decimal values. For example, let's log 1.5 cups at 9 p.m. All these types result in more accurate logging for your data and thereby better statistics as shown below. This app does not need a data connection for it to work. Nor is the continuous host pairing needed. Both syncing and logging functionalities work seamlessly, thus creating an efficient on-the-go usability. To get the most out of this app, don't forget to set reminders so you never miss a log. Happy logging!